Today we're going to bring a modern 52-inch fan. Everything's included that you see in here, included with the LED lights, the covers. I like the propellers. The actual colors are made of aluminum. There's two sizes, if you guys can see. Got the longer one and the shorter one. We are going to use the shorter one because we don't have high ceilings. One of my favorite things about the propellers, it has a gray side and a brown side. You could have either or. Now the other thing is that you have the actual screws in the fan. Now, when the fan screws are set up, this is how it's going to look. Now, hanging it up is the hardest part. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, you got level 1 all the way to level 6. We're going on level 6 right now. And you can feel the air coming in. It's very strong. It has 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and then the wave. You can change the format of the actual wave, and you could go forward and backwards too. And then you got it all off, and then you got the light on. Light. We'll turn on the light. That's one light. And if you turn it off and you turn it back on, that's the second light. That's the third light. So you got 3 lights in there. Turn it off.